Once upon a time, there was a beautiful morning. And a handsome chap with a beautiful lady that lives inside of a house. Nick, a lot of dog lovers will not like seeing that video.
Where we going? That side. Oh, no, in a conclusion this morning.
Nick and the Disha Show, where the happiness overflows. And the Nick and the Disha Show, where the happiness overflows. Ta-da! The Nick and the Disha Show, where the happiness over morning, where the happiness overflows. It's the Nick and the Disha Show, where the happiness overflows. Where the happiness overflows. You see how me bring life and light to people life? Boom! This is Jamaica Good Life.
What are your plans for the day, Mr. Rondie?
I plan to swim and splash all day.
So you're gonna go by everywhere yourself?
Huh?
You're gonna go by the sea yourself?
Yes, I will.
I never asked if anybody else want to go.
Well, you guys have to go to work.
We guys coming from work.
We don't go all day.
You don't go all day?
Do we?
Sure, if you want to come splash with me at 3 p.m., that'll be fine.
So if you don't left work coming out, you want to come splash?
Yeah. Splashing is healthy.
No, if you left home coming out with one.
Hey, you guys didn't bring your underpants?
No, we don't wear them.
12 minutes later.
Let's move, guys. So you don't want to jump on a bike? The Nick and the Disha Show, where the happiness, huh?
We leave for too late.
We're late?
We leave late.
How come?
We don't go late. I see, it happened that, let's see, one person wake up late, everybody automatically.
Oh, one person?
Yeah.
If you're ready, I'm coming to the kitchen because you are frightened.
Get out one day.
Me wake up late?
Oh, you?
Yeah.
No! We wake up on time.
Alright, let's move it, guys.
Eh?
Gotta get in early. Let's move it.
You alright? You can't hurt my head.
You turn the heads of every man around here. You make every man wonder.
Come on, sir, for dinner. We're not journey I'm going on tonight. We're going to go back bridge.
Whew. You know, it look like them people that are riding bike thinks there's somebody I watch them. Them just are come like, yo, everybody's gonna see me around the corner. You look at the kids. Look at the kids without going to school.
Bike, you know, Daddy.
Oh man.
Eh?
If I was a prime minister, woo! A lot of people feeling I get hurt, you know. 'Cause as a prime minister, myself,
We hate you, man.
I get ticket.
We don't hate you.
Me come out. The prime minister, stop the bike right now. Stop it! Right now! Lock him up. You have picked up on my bike back without helmet. In Jamaica. Oh, you're decent.
Go inside.
Is that the one from Alicia? This is. You had no rest yesterday. Yeah, I saw. You work all day and you wash on that hand all day. Now you feeling pain? She worked all day yesterday.
Let's go this brand new one. You don't see it.
No, I care about her hands.
How about you?
And her whole hand is hurting now.
I didn't feel like it make. What about you? Feel like.
Her whole hand is hurting.
I don't want to have the whole
The whole thing,
right
you see
side.
that?
And the whole of my lower back.
You see that?
Don't been a night.
She has
I
one
was
day.
at my bed sleeping, okay?
She has one
In
day.
case you think I was doing.
She has one day to rest. You know what she did on that day?
Talk for me, please and thanks.
Everything in the yard for do. If one breadfruit leaf job, we take up it. She ball for every job.
That's what you call a mental illness.
Sick!
No, sir.
Yeah. People don't understand how to rest. That's called a mental illness.
You go my yard. Tired.
Tired.
Done.
One day off. Out of
What's the day off?
the next 30 days, no day off.
I tell you, what I'm calling at the moment.
Don't go no more.
You know I'm going to go search up. Dada. People know me about dumb people.
No make. You check it. You check the pill then. Trusty, I am. Everything we do, most of the big success we have on this program is because of Trusty. Right? So, give them your number again. 538-9465. That's Trusty. Yeah, man. But may I say to you again, most of the success we have, the struggle we go through, is one man always come through this program. Success is due to this man here. So if you love the program, reach out to Trusty and show him some love and say, yo, Trusty, I mean, I do this because I'm going to the airport now, and you know, going to the airport, and if I never fit Trusty and the car Betsy, there'll be no Jamaica Good Life. You know, so this is the ending of season 2, but we call it season forever because we're not going to number them no more. And we hope that the Almighty give us another chance. Alright? Love. Tell us something. Just step off our place, me get some market run down for leave out of the system. And Jamaica Good Life. Well, leave out and give thanks. The journey was not as I totally expected. We're some rough road, but we're looking ahead to see what is the outcome of the rough food, but look how the place nice, man. I mean, since you're in Jamaica, I wanna come take it. People we make come back home. You don't understand this program. It changed so much people's life. Them, I mean, them literally see Jamaica. And like me, I talked to them yesterday. I said, you know, for they don't associate Jamaica with crime. You don't understand. Don't. People have them things, but about Jamaica crime, no. Jamaicans Rondie and Trusty. We see, we want to build a housing scheme near Lucy. We're going to find out. Green Island.
Yeah.
We're going to find out and good one. A couple of years from now, I'm able to get nothing. I'm telling you, say, Jamaica build up. Jamaica is building up. This is from Negril to Lucy and it looks beautiful. Anything you can get around here, so get it. Call on the mortgage people and real estate agents in Jamaica and ask them about Lucy and Green Island, Negril. Around here, so this is how I go first. You need for them near the beach then.
Right on the beach front.
Right on the beach front, right, so. So, you know, I just don't want to live. Imagine here, but you see, 10 years from now, nobody come out here, so.
10 years from now, 10 years too far.
10 years too far.
Yeah.
When you come Jamaica, come on here, so. So, me look on the view. The name Cove. Make a place named Cove. Very nice, man. Very busy around this side. Land fast here, see the sign there? Alright. When the vacation side, when the vacation camp side around it. When Trusty I come back. Trusty will take a picture, so. Send a donation to Trusty release the number. Same way, so. And what I have to do, Trusty, is go around and everywhere you see for sale, land for sale, take a picture. And those who support you, you give them the information. That's it. Because a lot of land for sale and you can't feel off a land.
That's what I'm saying.
You can't lose off a land.
No matter where land there, you're buying.
You can't lose. Especially in Jamaica.
Yeah. Right now, we're in the long run, you know.
Yeah.
The one here, the months or so, you put up, you know.
Yeah.
House is going to be almost everywhere.
Yeah. 2.5 acres, see there? Oceanfront, see there? Big oceanfront. People, just so you know, make sure you take a picture for them, alright?
Yeah.
On the call, Trusty, we.
But you have to show the red line up.
Eh?
But you have to show the red line up.
Did you ever
Tell me send me some time.
send me here?
Yeah.
How often you go send me here?
Probably 2-3 times a year.
Okay.
Since you started to go up there.
But I never know, say is there a special date you go?
No, we're not special time. I tell friend the money I pack me up and I said that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you love it?
The mother still alive and then. Check what I'm going to tell me now.
Now if you come, what we are going to do all the time man near your vacation? Would you go weekend too?
Look, anytime I come on. I'm going to start to tell you. Anytime I come on, I want to go to the trip. I need something.
Oh wow.
I'm going to knock some to the app and walk down from now.
People on the buy land in Hanover and live on the coast. Trusty, we get the sign them phone now. So no call Trusty. Make sure you support Trusty, yeah? And Trusty, you see how we work out now? Trusty on a land information guy. So when him drive, take a picture. Anybody will support him support you. Take you wanna make a call, come to Jamaica, check him. And I'm not going to say, boy, remember they might watch the video there, you know, and link Trusty and get the visa on here, I see. And now look for me. Anyway, the ocean, them man, I get a piece of land. I don't care how small it is. You see? Them could have said, the man, them have machine gun up top. I don't give a damn. You see me?
Yes, man, when the ocean there.
Anywhere the ocean there. Once I can afford it, I buy it. Because I know one thing about crime or anything, it disappears. It go away. The more a place develop,
The less crime happening.
less providence. So, Hanover, right?
That man said Hanover.
For sale. See another sale. Lord God. Lord God. Miss it.
Look at the castle.
Eh?
Look at the castle.
Part of our program is to get this information out to the people abroad. And you have to just take pictures of them and write down, keep a log so when them call you. Trust you not seen a land for sale? Yeah man. Alright, let me send you, look up there. Half a acre land, beach access. Look there. People, you look like, for me personally, this is a gold mine. You know why? Because you're not going to see them for too long. You see what I'm saying? Thing about land is Bulls Bay. Capture them. Okay. Run up also. Or am I on the mountain top? Okay. The blue carrier. A Juta. Them not tell you. You see, them a build up Jamaica, you know. And all you hear about a crime. But you know.
You not tell the good thing about Jamaica paper news, man.
Yeah,
Got the media, you know.
because the media controlled by the rich.
Right.
So the rich are make move it up. The rich will tell the middle class, say, yo, don't come here, son, because right now things set away. And them a make the moves. Them a set up solar panel, you say. But them a set up solar panel.
You know, cement field, well, the solar have a help with Jamaica overall. Because them do say about the current to JBS.
Yeah.
When they do not know, we the citizen, we get the current at a cheaper rate.
Yeah.
You understand? So, about help in that sense.
You see? So like,
This reminds me of New Year's Eve. So that time I shot me, what time I was. New Year's Eve, that time I came and took a long time.
yeah.
About watching.
What time now?
After 10. Right? After 10? Yeah, 23 to 10. This is the time I came watching long, I came and took a long time I got watching.
Yeah.
In a car and me, you see him looking at the body work, and two white people on the fireworks. I watch the fireworks. I see one day I watch it, man. But look at my dad, come back there.
Marketing strategy. This is your Jamaica, come take it. I found Jamaica, this enough for me. Wanna come take it. Yeah. I'll get an old Toyota car, fix him up. I'm going out to the business. In a little 2-room in a different location. One on the west coast, one in the hills. Don't build one big house. Build 2. You want it near the ocean in the weekend with you and your family. Jamaica is alright. I'm not tender. Jamaica clean. Jamaica alright. Nice and slow.
I went way up to a long time. But you're done, go way out. I just say what type of road. Sandy Bay.
Sandy Bay. You hear about this? Somebody did hear about Sandy Bay. engine.
And they put in a car and all this, if it's overheat, shut down the whole car.
It shut down itself.
Yeah. They don't mind the whole car, they shut down the whole when you can't start it. They put your engine cool down, you start it back.
Okay.
So what you expect? You don't have to work hard and wait.
Yeah.
No. I know like I saw no money no fan for you. I just when money come to Jamaica, money no fan for you, you know.
Yeah.
American dollar is a dollar. Just like Jamaica dollar is a dollar. It's just when you come to Jamaica, they get $104.
Yeah.
I see me something.
I same money.
Yeah. I know so much Jamaica look on it. Man down America, you big them a thing, and the man say, boy, you know me no stay so, you cuss off, man. I mean, man. No, man. Man, I feel work hard. Yeah. So we look on life. Because me auntie one day, you know. And I said, Jay, sorry. I said, I go 50 after one time. Same set to one, you know. Right time I beg when you go anything around there. Is me doing something? You know, I go call him a pretty talk, and I ask him what.
Yeah.
So I said to her, she said, Stan, you know you can't get the fruit button right now. Just give me some time. It's alright, Jane, when you have your lesson on. She said, alright. You take me around 3 months before we get you know. But she finally said it.
Yeah.
I understand because at the same time, I would 3 day a week, she'd have work.
Yeah.
I was telling me, 3 day a week. So I'm sorry, look at the end of man. So no, man.